Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'll be personalizing my kids Bible case. So I got this Bible case from Amazon, and this one I got from an online thrift store, like a secondhand bookstore. This Bible, it's a really nice Bible for little kids. KJV Study Bible. As you can see, it has some explanation, Bible names, maps. There's maps in the back. There's introduction to the Bible, and this Bible cover is called the Bat One Frist. This is black. I don't know if it looks like black, but it is black. There's like a compartment here for pens, and there's a handle, and then there's also a little arm sling or something. So that's it. So what I'm planning to do is I got here a glue. I'm gonna glue their name. This is like a felt patch. It's like a fleece felt patch, and I'm gonna glue their name horizontally like this. So that's the plan. And these are for my boys, so that's what I'm going to glue. And I got them some dinosaur felt patches since they like dinosaurs. I'm going to show you how this is really cool. I think I got this for this is very cheap. It's like less than $5 for a lot of dinosaurs. You can see it's stitched. It's really nicely sewn. It's not just a sticker. It's like a cloth. It's a thread fabric here. So the back. So let me show you the dinosaurs. Got that one. Got that. 4. So that's 5. So they're around like 2.5 to 3 inches. And there's a bunch more over here. So I'm just gonna put them randomly, like in the front and the back of the book cover, and I'll show you how it looks like later. So right now I'm cutting the gold trims because I couldn't really fit this. It's too wide for Noah. So I'm cutting the trim a little bit for Noah, and I'm going to cover up I think I'm going to cover up the name of the brand and something with a dinosaur. So that is the project for today. I'll keep on working on it. I'll show it to you when I glue it, and we'll see how it looks like later. I have finished trimming the gold. So I have finished trimming this gold edges of the name, and now I'm gonna assemble it. So let's see here. So I think this will fit now. Yep, now it fits. So I'm gonna, there's actually a sticker thing already in the back, but I want to reinforce it because it might come off. So I'm gonna use my glue here, this glue, to reinforce the letters. So let's get started. So I actually have 2 here, 2 for my boys. So this one is gonna be for Noah. His Bible is this. So this is Noah, and I'm assembling his Bible. So let's move aids over here. Naomi, can you get it in? So let's peel this off. There. It is actually pretty sticky, but I really don't trust that it will last, so I'm gonna use the glue here. Oops. Just to make sure it doesn't come off. So, oh boy, this is really sticky. So, okay, so now, letter N. Just for letter N. So we got the letter O. And I have to stick it really close because I don't have a lot of space. So it's the letter O. So I'm just gonna peel this two really quick. And also, I want to show you this. I also got these tabs for my boys so they can flip over their Bible easily. So that's extra. So this is the letter A. Just gonna make sure the edges are well glued. Okay. So we got letter A. Oops. Needs to be really close. Hope it's not crooked. No. Guess the H. Let me see if the H is going to fit. And it is going to fit. It's very sticky. So do it this way. So here is the final look of the felt on the name. I'm gonna push it down. Might have to let it cure for 24 hours. So I ended up removing the brand name because it's in the way, and I couldn't find a dinosaur that would fit exactly, so I just removed it. I used a nipper and a cutter, so I got that removed. Now we could put any kind of dinosaur here, for instance like this. I might put like three dinosaurs per cover. I think I'm gonna use this for Noah as well. This is really nice. So I'll show you the outcome when I finish gluing it.